Today we have a lot of animals, some farm animals and some wild animals. Let's learn their names. Are you ready, kids? Let's start. Let's learn their names one by one. The first one is the first animal is a dog. A dog is a farm animal. The next one is
Old MacDonald had a farm.
a rhino. This is a rhino.
He had a pig.
The next one is a horse. This is a horse. The next one is a leopard. This is a leopard. The next animal is a cow. This is a cow.
Old MacDonald had a farm.
The next one is a panda. This is a panda. A panda is a wild animal. The next animal is a camel. This is a camel. The next one is a kangaroo. This is a kangaroo. The next one is a hen. This is a hen. The next animal is elephant. This is elephant. The next one is a rooster. This is a rooster. A rooster. The next animal is a lion. This is a lion. A lion is the king of forest. The next animal is a lioness. This is a lioness. The next one is a tiger. This is a tiger.